Menteri Rang Ba Kajela Conrad Sangma ula ong ba tang Ktien khasi ba Ktien karu bagadi banyorong haka khnit ka ba pra jong ariti sejar ko India hanai deban pei ru ba Kiwei pat kijai Ktien di Ritpaid ki badan katan sitai lamingi deban Kiwei deban Kyntiew ki khna bakin yaisa kata ka identity lan di kwa isa ka jinok trai ki jongki yakani ula ong haba karan haka jalang ka ba hanru fuai jongka bodu setia sabha ka balang ha tumulpur.
We had recently passed a resolution in the Assembly to include the Garo and the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. And I strongly feel that inclusion of languages of different tribes and different communities will only lead to a stronger integration of this very, very diverse but great nation of ours. Therefore, sir, we look to you also to support us in our endeavor to see that not just Garo and Khasi, but all the different communities and tribes and languages that are there in the northeast, different tribes, they may be small, but their identity comes from the language and the culture that they have. I urge you, Honorable Sir, that if these languages could be promoted and protected in the long-term interest of the identity of these tribes. My late father, Shri P. S. Sanmaji, was somebody who had a great affinity for the Poro people.